Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to fix WhatsApp notifications issue. The notifications are not showing on your home screen. What happens, you are getting the WhatsApp messages but the notifications are not shown on your home screen. So here you can see our WhatsApp application. So we are getting the WhatsApp messages but the notifications are not shown on our home screen. One message on WhatsApp but we didn't receive any notification on our home screen. How you can fix this issue? You have to open your phone settings, click on apps, scroll down and then you have to click on WhatsApp, scroll down, click on notifications and from here you have to allow the notifications. You have to enable this notification tab and then you have to go back. Now we receive any message on WhatsApp, we'll receive the notification also on our home screen. So we'll show you the proof. So here you can see we have started gaining the WhatsApp notifications on our home screen. So right now our WhatsApp notifications are now enabled. So in the same way you can also fix WhatsApp notifications issue on your phone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.